Good morning, children. This is Kiran Thakur. Welcome you back, children, once again to class 2. Children, we will continue with our English literature, chapter number 2, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. In last video, you have seen half of the story of Grandpa Farooq's Garden. Now, today we will continue with the story Grandpa Farooq's Garden part 2. So, children, let us recapitulate the first part of the story, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. In first part, children, what we have learned that Amir loved spending time in Grandpa Farooq's garden. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. Every week, Amir used to go to Grandpa Farooq's garden. There they used to work together, and after finishing their work, they used to enjoy with fresh fruits from the garden. One day, Grandpa was upset. He was not speaking anything. He was not eating any fruits. Amir asked him, "What happened, Grandpa?" Grandpa replied that his garden was dying. Amir asked Grandpa, "What can we do for the garden? How can we save the garden?" Grandpa said that we need ladybirds for these. We need ladybirds to save our garden. But Grandpa was also worried that from where he will get the ladybirds. So Amir promised him to bring 1 or 2 ladybirds for Grandpa, to save the garden. After that, Amir went home and started looking for ladybirds. When next day Amir went to school, and when he was returning back home from the school, he found 2 ladybirds beside the road in the grass growing. He brought ladybirds to the home. He collected 2 ladybirds from there and brought them home. He kept those ladybirds in the big plastic box. He have placed some of the leaves, twigs, and food and water for ladybirds. Okay, children, till here we have learned in part 1. Now let us continue with our part 2. The next day, Amir looked for the bugs around the football field. Now children, Amir have already got 2 ladybirds, which he have kept at home, isn't it, in the big plastic box. Now he is looking for some more ladybirds, isn't it? Now where did he go to find some more ladybirds? You can see here in the football field. He went in the football field to find some more ladybirds. He found 3 of them sitting on one leaf. There what he saw, that 3 more ladybirds are sitting on one leaf. Okay, children? Come with me, little ladybirds. Who said this? Amir. To whom, children? To ladybirds. Amir said to ladybirds that, "Come with me, little ladybirds. We have to help Grandpa," he said, carefully picking them up. He carefully, very gently, he picked them up, and while picking them, he said them to come with him to help Grandpa. Understood, children? Now, children, how many ladybirds Amir is having? 2 he found from grass growing, and 3 in the football ground. That means now he is having 5 ladybirds, isn't it? Now let us move further now. See this next paragraph. 2 days later, Amir found 4 more at the park. Okay children, after 2 days, this park is not Grandpa Farooq's park children. This is another park, okay, where he found 4 more ladybirds there. He picked them up and ran home. Now his box had 9 ladybirds. How many ladybirds children? 9 ladybirds. 2 ladybirds he found in the grass growing. 3 ladybirds he found in the football ground. And now 4 more ladybirds he found in the park. Now all total how many ladybirds he is having? He is having 9 ladybirds. Okay? Next morning, Amir went straight to Grandpa Farooq's house with a big smile on his face. Okay children, why there was a big smile on Amir's face? Why children? Because he could fulfill his promise. He promised to Grandpa that he will bring ladybirds for him. Now he have already fulfilled his promise, so that is why he is very happy. Okay, so when he went to Grandpa Farooq's house, there was a big smile on his face. He showed Grandpa the box with the ladybirds. That means he gave that plastic box. Do you remember that plastic box children, in which he have kept those ladybirds? Yes, that plastic box he have given to Grandpa. Grandpa could not believe it. You have done well. Oh my boy, you have done so well. He is so happy now. Okay, why Grandpa is happy? Because he was waiting for the ladybirds. Why he was waiting? Because his garden was dying. To save the garden, he was waiting for the ladybirds, isn't it? And Amir brought 9 ladybirds for Grandpa. So looking to those 9 ladybirds, Grandpa is very, very happy. Okay? Grandpa said with a tear in his eyes. What did he say? You have done well. Oh my boy, you have done so well. Okay? While saying this, Grandpa's eyes was full of tears. Okay? That means he started crying with happiness. It was not the tear of sadness, children. He cried because he was so happy. Okay? Amir and Grandpa opened the box in the garden and let the ladybirds out. Now what they have done? They went in the garden with the box, children. They have opened the box and let the ladybirds come out of the box. See here, you can see in this picture children. Can you see here? Yes, this box. They have opened this plastic box and see, you can see here so many ladybirds are coming out of the box. Yes children? The ladybirds liked their new home. They had many pests to eat there. You know children, the ladybirds also liked their new home. Do you know why? Because in Grandpa Farooq's garden, there were so many insects which they can eat there. Yes, that is why they also liked their new home. Okay children? From that day on, Grandpa Farooq's garden did what garden should do. What garden should do, children? Garden should grow and grow and grow, isn't it? So, Grandpa Farooq's garden also, it grew and grew and grew. Okay, children? Now, like this, Grandpa and Amir saved the garden with the help of ladybirds. Okay, children? With the help of ladybirds, they have saved the garden. So, here we end with the story Grandpa Farooq's Garden. I hope so, children, you have liked the story and also enjoyed listening to the story. Thank you, children. Take care.